Property gifting is a transfer of a property from one person to another person without any consideration. So there is no sale proceed involved in property gifting. As I mentioned, there is no consideration for the gift transfer. So there is no payment, there is no sale proceeds paid to the person who is giving the property, basically. But in sale transfer, there should be a sale proceeds paid to the seller. The other difference is the government fees for the gift transfer is considerably less than the sale transfer. In the case of gift transfer, the land department fees equals to 0.125% from the property value. But in the case of the sale transfer, the land department fees equal to 4% of the property value. In Dubai, you can gift your property to only specific people or to a company owned by you. You can gift your property to your first-degree relatives, which include your parents, children, and spouse. Other than that, you cannot do a gift transfer, you have to do a sale transfer. Also, if you have a company which is registered under your name in the UAE, you can also gift your property to your company. Or vice versa, you can gift your property from your company to your individual name. First of all, off-plan properties cannot be gifted in Dubai until the property is completed and the title deed issued for the property. So, in order to gift a property, you need to have a clear title deed for the completed property. Moreover, if the property is mortgaged, you cannot gift the property before getting the bank's approval. In general, the banks require to pay off the loan amount completely before giving the approval, or they can transfer the mortgage to the receiver, subject to meeting the bank's requirements. The land department fees for the property gifting equal to 0.125% of the property value. Also, there are certain charges payable to the trustee office for the registration and the new title deed issuance. Also, you need to evaluate the property prior to the gift transfer in order to determine how much is going to be the land department fees. The documents basically will depend on the type of the property and also the relationship between the parties. If the gift transfer is done between, let's say, parents and children, then the land department requires a birth certificate to prove the relationship. Or if the gift transfer is done between husband and wife, the land department requires a marriage certificate to prove the relationship. On the other hand, if you are transferring your property to a company, then you need to present the documents of the company to prove basically you are the owner of the company. The documents include trade license, share certificate, memorandum of association, certificate of incumbency, and etc. Please bear in mind that only certain types of companies can own a property in Dubai, and foreign companies cannot own. Only the companies registered in the UAE can own a property in Dubai. The first reason is there is a reduced land department fees for property gifting as opposed to the sale transfer. So the land department made it easier for families to transfer property between each other with less fees. Second, people also use property gifting in succession planning. So instead of writing a will or instead of leaving the property without any will, people usually prefer to gift their property to their loved ones during their lifetime, which then saves a lot of time and hassle for the family members.